Welcome to my kitchen. Friends, please write in the comments what country and city are you from. It's very nice to know that we can communicate all over the world. Today we're cooking up a delicious chicken and pineapple casserole with a refreshing salad on the side. Let's dive right in. Start by peeling and slicing 3 large potatoes into thin rounds. Friends, if you enjoy my content, subscribe to the channel to receive notifications about new similar recipes. Use a little olive oil to grease a baking dish to prevent the potatoes from sticking. Friends, I'd be happy if you could give this video a like, as it's the best reward from you. Arrange the sliced potatoes evenly in the greased baking dish, creating a single layer. Sprinkle them lightly with salt for seasoning. Cut 2 chicken fillets into small cubes. Then place them in a mixing bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Two tablespoons of sour cream. Grate 3 cloves of garlic. Add them to the bowl with chicken. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Mix everything well to coat the chicken evenly. Spread the seasoned chicken cubes evenly over the layer of potatoes in the baking dish, creating a second layer. Slice one onion into half rings. Then arrange them on top of the chicken layer. Finely chop one tomato. And also sprinkle it over the onions. Take 6 pineapple pieces from the can and evenly distribute them on top of the casserole for a hint of sweetness. Grate 5 ounces or 150 grams of soft cheese. And sprinkle it generously over the casserole to add a cheesy goodness. Cover the casserole dish with a sheet of wet parchment paper to lock in moisture and prevent the cheese from burning while baking. Preheat the oven to 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius and bake the casserole for approximately 1 hour until the cheese is melted and bubbly and the chicken is cooked through. Put some fresh arugula leaves in a separate salad bowl. Slice 1 avocado as shown in the video. Add 5 ounces or 140 grams of edamame soybeans. Then thinly slice 1 onion. Also, add it to the salad. Season the salad with a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Toss everything together until well combined. Once the casserole is ready, serve it alongside the fresh arugula salad, creating a balanced and flavorful meal. Take a moment to savor the delicious flavors of the casserole and salad combination. Enjoy every bite. Friends, if you enjoy my content, subscribe to the channel to receive notifications about new similar recipes. Friends, I'd be happy if you could give this video a like, as it's the best reward from you.